औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह. Students, our today's topic is also adding and subtracting, but today we are going to subtract in phase of money. If different prices are given to you, then we have to find out the total price, or we have to find out the difference between two prices. This is called adding and subtracting of money. So let's start our today's topic, which is on page number 54, question number 1. Write the total cost of each pair. First one is 730 and 630. A part is question 1. 630 and 730. You have to find out the total. 630, 730 plus 0, 3 plus 3 is 6, 7 plus 6, 13. So the total amount of A part is 1360. B part is 590 and 1050. Five 1050. 1050 is larger value, so we will place it on the upper side and 590 on second number. 0, 5 plus 9, 14, 4, 1 carry, 5 plus 1, 6, and 1 as it is. 1640 rupees. C part is 1428.70. Two 28701400 plus 0 plus 0, 0, 7 plus 0, 7, 8 plus 4, 12, 1 carry, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. 4270 rupees. D part is 3180 and 4660. 4660 3180. 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 6 14 4. 1 carry. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 1 8. 4 plus 3 7. 7840 rupees is the answer of D part. E part is 2990. And second value is 1510. Zero plus zero is zero. 9 plus 1 10. 0 1 carry. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 5 15. 5 1 carry. 1 2 3 and 1 4. Rupees 4,500 for 500 is the answer of E part. Last part of this question is 5650. And the second value of the last part is 3780. 5650 3780. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 8 13 3. 1 carry 6 and 7 13. 13 and 1 14 4. 1 carry 5 plus 1 6. 6 and 3 9. So answer of last part is 9430. Question number 1 is complete. Question number 2. Add together these prices and write the total amounts. Question number 2. First one is rupees 97. Second is 1422. Plus 97 plus 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 2 11, 1 carry, 4 plus 1 5 and 1. B part is 850 and 65. Five, 6 plus 5 11, 1 carry, 8 plus 1 9, 915 rupees. C part is 87 rupees and 376. . 7 plus 6, 13, 3. 1 carry, 8 and 8, 16. 1 carry, 3 plus 1, 4. Last part of question number 2 is 11, 95 and 49. Nine plus 5, 14. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. And 1 error is. In question number 3, the prices of different tools like saw, plier, hand drill, hammer, nails, and screwdriver is given. We have to find out the total price of different pairs which are given in the question number 3, different parts. So let's start. Let's make a table for question number 3. Tools and price. First one is saw. Its price is 1209. Next one is plier. Its price is 775. Next one is hand drill. Its price is 1143. Then screwdriver. With price of 788. Then hammer. With price 694. Last one is nails. Their price is 560. Now we have to find out in A part the total price of nails and hammer. From this table we will take the price of nails. Nails have price 560 and hammer price is 694. 4, 6 plus 9, 15. 1 carry. 6 and 6, 12. 1254 is the total price of nails and hammer in A part of question number 3, page number 55. In B part, we have to find out the total price of hand drill and screwdriver. Hand drill has price 1143 and screwdriver has 788. 8 plus 3, 11, 1, 1 carry. 8 plus 4, 12, 12, 1, 13, 3, 1 carry. 7 plus 2, 9 and 1. Total price of hand drill and hammer is 1930. 31 rupees. C part is saw and plier. Saw price is 1209 and plier price is 775. 9514, 1 carry, 718, 7 plus 2 9 and 1 average is 1984 is the total price of saw and plier. In D part, hammer and hand drill. Price of hand drill is 1143 and price of hammer is 694. Three plus 4, 7, 9 plus 4, 13, 1 carry, 6, 1, 7, 7, 1, 8, 1 as it is. In E part, we have to find the price of screwdriver and plier. Plier price is 775 and screwdriver is 788. 8 plus 5, 13, 1 carry, 8 and 8, 16, 1 carry, 7, 7, 14 and 1, 15. In F part, we have to find out the price of 2 boxes of nail. Price of each box of nail is 560. We have to find out the price for 2 boxes. So 560 and 560. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 6, 12. 2, 1 carry. 5 plus 5, 10 and 1, 11. G part is total cost of saw and hammer. Price of saw is 1209 and hammer price is 694. 9 plus 4, 13, 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1 carry, 6 to 8 and 1, 9, 1 as it is. In H part, total price of hand drill and plier. Hand drill price is 1143 and plier price is 775. 3 plus 5, 8. 4 plus 7, 11. 1 carry. 7, 1, 9. 1, 8 and 1, 9. 1 as it is. 1918 rupees is the total price of hand drill and plier. I part. Total price of saw and screwdriver. Price of saw is, in part 8 we have to find out. In I part, its total price of saw and screwdriver. Price of saw is 1209. And screwdriver price is 788. 9 plus 8, 17. 1 carry, 8 plus 1, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. 1 as it is. J part. The last part of question number 3 on page number 55 is total price of plier and hammer. Price of plier is 775 and price of hammer is 694. 5 plus 4, 9. 7 plus 9, 16. 1 carry. 7 plus 7, 14. Students, also note down your diary. You have to write page number 54, question number 1 on your copy. You have to solve question 2 on your copy on page number 54. And the lastly, page number 55, question number 3 on your copy. For question number 3, first of all, you have to make table on your copy of different prices of the different tools as I made on the board. Then you can find out the all prices easily. Now, if you have any query in the today's lecture, please raise your hand one by one.